Hello everyone, welcome to SSC Insight. Today I am going to share my DV experience for SSC selection post phase 7 2019 in Karnataka Kerala region, Bangalore. I am selected in two posts, KK11619 and KK11719. My document verification was scheduled on 1st February 2021 in Bangalore. The document verification for SSC selection post phase 7 will continue till 25th February in KKR. My DV venue was in Kendriya Sadan E-Wing first floor, but whenever I was asking for the direction to the SSC office, they were directed to me towards F Wing, where actually the document verification of CGL 2018 was held. I tried to make them understand that I hadn't come for CGL. I was there for it's just a selection post, but they were unable to understand. Language is a very big issue there. Even the officials neither understands English nor understand Hindi. So anyway, after struggling 1 hour, I reached the evening at last, and there was no one. And the SSC officials told me to wait at the reception. After that, at first, they clicked my picture just like in online exams and it got printed in an A4 size paper. For two posts, there were two individual print of my picture, and below my picture, they told me to write five things. Those are name, roll number, postcode, date, and signature. After that, I was directed to a conference room. There they gave me my commission's copy. In that commission's copy, I had to paste my recent passport size photo. One declaration was there, and left thumb impression, and my signature. There was an attendance sheet where I had to put my signature with date. Besides, there was a self declaration form where it was written that I was never got debarred from any government exams like SSC, UPSC. After that, they also gave me another form which was regarding my examination name, my post code, my post name, etc. So total, you have to fill total three forms, and you need two recent passport size photographs. After that, the document verifier started verifying my original documents. Yeah, she asked for four original documents: 10th mark sheet, 10th passing certificate, and 12th mark sheet and 12th passing certificate. Total four original documents, and each of its self-attested photocopy. She also verified the photocopies which I had sent at the time of representation with the original documents, and she asked to put my signature with date in that application form which I had sent at the time of representation. And after that, she asked to deposit my four original documents which was sent to the deputy director with my dossier. Approximately after 1 hour, they returned my original documents and told that the document verification is completed. So that is the whole process. Thank you.